Hi, I'm Akhilesh Bhargava. I'm the Managing Director at AVI Global Plus, a packaging company into manufacturing since 1995. So about CFO Bridge, I have been working with CFO Bridge I think since almost 2014 or 13. I don't exactly remember, but that's around the time Srini has just started the company. I think it was a year old. And I met Srini, and when I heard of what they do, it kind of resonated with me, and I felt that this is something which I have been looking for. So the experience over the past 6 years, I think it's been 7 years, has been a journey. What specifically Abhik and Hitesh were deputed to our account, and what we started doing initially was that we had a challenge with trusting numbers itself. So though we had a culture of making the P&L on a monthly basis, but the cost attribution correctly, or the understanding of numbers, the accuracy of numbers, and we have multiple divisions. So actually working out of how they're to be placed and how is each division to be evaluated. So from that point, and then we had we actually kind of started also with an audit about from the point where the numbers were being captured. It was very important, and there were many mistakes along the way, which we noticed and we fixed. To that extent, we went on even for we have pretty unskilled people absolutely at the down level, and it came to a point that production was being done by one team and the data entry was being done by another team. We took a tough call by saying that anybody who does the production is now going to be made responsible for the data entry. These kind of findings came through the kind of work which CFO Bridge did in helping and taking out that these are the kind of areas where the accuracy of data was not there. There were issues with inventory, and in a way CFO Bridge played the kind of a auditor as well as someone who was finding out the gap analysis and hand-holding the company to actually fix those gaps, and then re-verifying whether those gaps have been fixed or not. The CFO Bridge team also helped me work along with the ERP guys, because we at that time also were migrated to a new ERP, and getting the right ERP structure so that we could have the right data took a while initially. This was also the period where our company was going through a very through its worst period, and we were trying to revive. And to revive, what we had planned was to break up our problems into many small problems into multiple boxes, and then try and fix each box. But to be able to do that, it was very important to be able to view each box correctly. And unless we didn't have the numbers correctly, it was just going to be impossible. So then we started actually capturing the data correctly, recording it correctly, and then also at the end of the day presenting it correctly. Over the period, and this was specifically which we could see was when things started turning around and we started actually doing well. And first 2-3 years were a struggle, but then post that I think was more of a it was actually it was very easy. And to that extent, I realized that as I talk to my friends, co-entrepreneurs, that the kind of system we have managed to evolve over the past 7 years is very unique in itself, and the kind of how we use our numbers to to kind of help us predict and forecast and measure what we have been doing to great accuracy has been really great. So even though we have a complete finance team led by a CFO and with a team of almost another 4 or 5 people, but we see continuous value in CFO Bridge working with us, and I think that's why that's one of the key reasons we have worked continuously over the past 7 years. And it's not that the responsibility has been the same of just delivering MIS. It's about delivering value. So the consistency is about delivering value, and how we are delivering the value that has kept on changing. And I think we have worked very amicably together through highs and lows. Even during COVID, I reached out to CFO Bridge for some kind of support. They readily agreed, and post COVID, we again had a discussion that things are doing better. So we could resort to the normal, and which we readily agreed. I think all in all, it's been a great learning experience, and I think we've kind of evolved a system which I'm pretty proud of. And even now, looking at, we have been continuously, evolving that how we are going to look at the next 12 months or 24 months, and what is the value CFO Bridge is going to create, and that's going to be continuous, and it's not going to be what it was in the past. So yeah, here I am. Thank you.